What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Beats Pro earbuds. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is make sure both earbuds are connected to the case. Once they are, you're going to hold down this button right here for around 10 to 15 seconds until you see a red light blinking down here. So let's do that now. As you can see, it began blinking red, so you can let your finger go from the button. And now it's ready to be paired with your iPhone or whatever device you're using it with. So this was my tutorial on how to reset your Beats Pro earbuds. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.